a saying, a slogan amongst the young people. Do your own thing. And also in India now, when I go there, they say, so many men, so many minds.
Yes, that is Vivekananda. Jatamat tato. That means everyone can become authority. This is it.
And this is praised as good.
Huh?
And others praise this one.
As being very tolerant and liberal.
But our philosophy, Krishna said, you rascal, give up everything, just surrender to me. This is our philosophy. You rascal, you give up everything and surrender to me. This is our philosophy. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam. He is decrying this Vivekananda rascal philosophy. The suggestion when I in that international I was going to register, they suggested, why don't you make God conscious? Why you make Krishna conscious? And if I make God conscious, so many rascals will bring, so many gods. That was specifically only Krishna God. That's all. That is all. If you like, you take, others go away. But this is our philosophy. Mamekam sarvadharman. Was it not wise conclusion?
Yes.
If I have made a little liver, God consciousness, all rascals would have brought it. Here is my God. To stop this nonsense, I made it Krishna conscious. Krishna is God only. Nobody is God. If you like this philosophy, come, otherwise go ahead. I don't want your cooperation. What is the use of cooperation of some rascals?
That man yesterday wanted to know if we collaborated with other groups. He wanted to know if we collaborated.
There is collaboration. We are proposing this collaboration. All religion. That after all, religion means to accept God. So if you accept God, we accept God, then where is no cooperation? This is cooperation. But if you don't know what is God, we know. There is a difference. Ask these Christians, Mohammedans and any other religious group. They have got a conception of God. Ask them, what is the form of God, what does He do, what is His, so many things. They do not know. We know.
They simply say He is spirit.
Yes, that's all. Vague idea. We say here is God. So if you actually believe in God, why don't you take this God and the whole, all different types of religion become one? If you accept God, then we say, here is God. So where is the point of difference? How do you differ? Why do you say that we are different religion? My religion. Why do you say my religion? Everyone, this is the only religion. To know God and love Him. What is your objection? To accept God, Krishna. Why do they object? What is the reason?
They want to gratify their senses.
Why do you make a different God? If you actually believe in God, I say here is God. Why don't you accept?
Impersonalism. They don't want...
That is not God. God is person. That means you do not know God.
But they said Jesus Christ is God too.
Yes. Jesus Christ is God, that's right. But Jesus Christ says, I am Son of God.
Yes. He said, I am at the right hand of the Father.
Yes.
So he is different from the Father.
No, even not different. But he says that he is son of that, we accept it.
Yes.
Yeah, just rascal.
Yes. Why there are so many religions? If religion means acceptance of God, then here is God. Then make one religion. Why so many different religions?
In America, there are 2 new sects, religious sects, that appear every month.
Every month?
Yes.
Different sect?
2.
Every month? What do you mean by every month?
Every month, there are 2 new religious sects that appear.
And what? They accept God?
Well, they invent their own God, their own way. In Europe, they laugh at the Americans and their religion because they know this.
Religion, new religion, that means new God? Or what it is?
New way of approaching God.
But you want to approach God.
The way he wants us to approach him.
If you agree to that, then this is the easiest process. You chant God's name and you approach. Why again new? This is the easiest process. Chant God's name and you approach.
In the Bhagavad Gita it says that those who are in different modes of nature, they have different types of charity and different types of religion. So does this mean religions that are already established in the Vedas?
That means conditional religion. That is not absolute religion. In order to what is called summarize all types of religion, just like Krishna says, Mamo Vatman Vartante Manushya Partha Sarva. Everyone is trying to come to me. So, the coming by different paths.
Right.
So that is accepted. Now when he says that I am here, you are coming to me, now you just surrender, then everything is all right. Why don't you accept that? Why do you insist, no, I shall come in a different way, different path? What is this nonsense? God is saying, all right, you have got different paths, but give up that. Now, simply surrender to me. What is my objection? If I am really lover of God, God is saying like that, why not accept that?
Yes.
Why shall I prefer different paths? Suppose in this jungle, you are scattered and you are searching, where is Prabhupada, where is Prabhupada? And somebody says, come this way, come this way. And if I say, not this way, that way, come here, come here. What is your objection?
No objection.
Either you don't want me. That is all. You don't want me, you want to play some whimsical ways. You are not serious about me. If you are actually serious about God, God says here, give up all this nonsense, just surrender. Why they do not accept it?